at 10 for 12 years. It's good to be able to work with the customer because sometimes they don't know exactly what they need until we give them ideas and feedback on what will work. Michelle and I put our heads together and we think, right, we could bind that to dress it up and make it a bit more secure. It also gives us the opportunity to make last minute changes, sometimes after the product is finished. You wouldn't normally be able to do that with outsourced products. It's good to be able to have the opportunity and a local facility to do things like that.